Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to everything you need to know about Bitcoin. Today's episode is a practical guide on setting up a Bitcoin wallet. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, this is vital stuff, so let's get started. First off, what's a Bitcoin wallet? Think of it as your digital keychain, holding the keys to your Bitcoin. It allows you to send, receive, and store Bitcoin securely. Now, let's set one up. Let's start with mobile wallets. They're user-friendly and convenient. Popular options include Green Wallet and Blue Wallet. Let's use Green Wallet as an example. Step 1. Download and install. Head over to your phone's app store, search for Green Wallet, and install it. Easy. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Open the app and select Create a new wallet. You'll be given a mnemonic phrase, a sequence of 12 or 24 words. This is super important. It's your wallet's backup. Write these words down in the exact order and keep them somewhere safe. Never share this with anyone. It's the key to your Bitcoin kingdom. Step 3. Set a PIN. Create a PIN for accessing your wallet. Make it something memorable but secure. Next, let's talk about desktop wallets. Electrum is a great choice for beginners. Here's how to set it up. Step 1. Download and install. Go to the Electrum website, download the correct version for your operating system, and install it. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Open Electrum, select Create a new wallet, and choose Standard Wallet. Then, Electrum will generate your mnemonic phrase. Again, write this down and keep it safe. Step 3. Set a password. Secure your wallet with a strong password. This protects your wallet file on your computer. For extra security, there are hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. These are physical devices that store your Bitcoin offline. Setting up a hardware wallet involves Step 1. Connect to your computer or phone and follow the setup instructions provided by the device. Step 2. Write down the mnemonic phrase it gives you, your critical backup. Step 3. Set a PIN on the device itself, and that's it. Whether you choose a mobile, desktop, or hardware wallet, the process is straightforward. Remember, securing your mnemonic phrase is crucial. It's the ultimate backup of your Bitcoin. Congratulations, you've just set up your Bitcoin wallet. You're now ready to join the world of Bitcoin transactions. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto tips.